There is a very interesting thing at Howrah railway station in Kolkata about this gap between the two complexes, I can say. And it's exactly similar, symmetrical. And this road is available for people to park their cars. But the parking comes at a premium. It is 300 rupees per hour, which is quite expensive. Even by government standards. So most of the time you will find only VIP vehicles standing over here. They can park free of cost. There is a lot of noise around, so I'll stop talking. And basically I wanted to show you this beautiful setup over here, and it's really wonderful. Now you would ask whether it is this amount what you have to pay, whether it is at a premium or not. Yet it is at a premium, but the best part is that you can get down. So there are a few trains which come here and here. You can get down and then you can just enter into your car and push off. So that's the advantage. Anyway, enough of talking. Let me just walk this place and enter from that side, because I've never come down on this side. So today is my chance to see what is at the other end. Now the railway announcements are going on repeatedly, and I don't know how good the GoPro mic has captured my voice. I hope it has come out to be good, otherwise I'll have to superimpose something on the video, which I don't want to. Photography and videography is something of a tricky issue, because there aren't many notices around which say that it is prohibited. Of course, it is a sensitive establishment. Any kind of untoward incident can happen over here. And there are a few places where the police actually stop you from filming. So I have just gone along, and as it is, this is quite generic a place. Now that I've come here, I'll also try the wide angle lens. So there you go, beautiful, both sides. That's just too beautiful. The sun is exactly behind me, and I don't know how good it will come, but let me try it out. I'll just take a turn and face behind from where the road comes out. So there you go. Amazing, literally amazing. I do like symmetry, so do so many people. Now here next on both sides, nothing much is there. There is one more security at the other end, and at this side there's a beautiful view. Yeah, there you go. And there's a train going. but not too much. It's kind of blockage over there. I'll try to go on the main bridge over there and see how it is seen from there. And even here also one more train is leaving, but then again nothing visible from this side too.